If you're a complete newbie or beginner trying to get into property investing in 2024, then keep on watching this video. And if you consider yourself as a seasoned investor or someone that's a bit more experienced, then today this video is definitely not for you. Hi, my name's Ethan Hammond and I'm a property developer based in South London, and today I'm going to go through what exactly you need to do to get started in your property journey in 2024. Now, the number one question I always get asked when people watch my YouTube videos, follow my Instagram, is how do I get started in property? And my number one answer to that is property investing starts by your education. You need to know what options are available to you. Like literally, property is so broad, you need to understand what strategy best aligns with your goals in order for you to start taking action. And even before you approach someone asking for help, you need to know how that person can actually help you. And as a newbie, I know exactly how it feels coming into the YouTube space and being overwhelmed with hundreds of videos on how to get started in property. So many people promising different things, using different keywords, terminologies, and there's a lot going on. But essentially, what you need to be able to do is streamline that process, take actionable steps to get the right help you need to excel in your journey. So what I decided to do is put together a solution that helps you overcome all those challenges, where in under 2 hours you'll be able to understand all the foundation knowledge you need in property and have a more targeted approach with your learning. Now, this is an 8-module course and it's called the Learn Properties Complete Guide for Beginners, and it's made up of 7 to 10 minute videos, concise, engaging and clear, and directly straight to the point on all different topics such as understanding leverage in property, understanding the different strategies available in property, different mortgages, financing, the BRRR method, and how to add value to properties. So I cover all of those in 8 concise, engaging videos where you'll be able to streamline your whole learning. So once you've completed that course, you will now be able to have that conversation with yourself in terms of what route do I want to go down. And once you understand what route you want to go down, you can do more targeted learning within that area and then take it on to the next step and maybe look for help, ask for different mentorship to be able to excel your journey. I decided to build this platform because I got to the point where it started to feel a bit weird whenever someone asked me, how do I get started in property? The only answer I really had for them is to start by educating yourself, and followed by a few links and YouTube videos that I said, yeah, just go and watch all of these, and essentially just kind of dumped them to go do their own thing. Now I thought to myself, with my knowledge and all the experience that I have today, why don't I build them a product that allows them to be able to skip all those YouTube videos that they're going to spend hours and hours trying to put the pieces of the puzzle together to then understand something and come back to me and ask me more questions? Why don't I just put something together where they can go through it in under 2 hours and then come back to me and ask me more targeted questions that will be able to optimize the times that they do have with me and get better value out of me? And I'll be completely honest with you, this is not going to be a free course or a free online platform, because really and truly, there's hundreds of free content out there on YouTube, and I'm posting weekly on my YouTube, and I'm giving value, gems to help you in your property journey and whatever stage you're at. So there's lots of information out there which is free. However, we've created a product where we've been able to streamline this all for you, where all the foundation knowledge will be learnt within 2 hours to give you more of a targeted approach so you can start taking action in your property investing journey. And what I have realized is that it is important to monetize things, because some people just take things for granted. When I speak to loads of people and I give them my time for free, and you speak to them, you have conversations with them, you give them tips on how to get started in their journey, and 2 months later down the line you speak to them and they've done nothing, and essentially they've taken your time for granted and your knowledge for granted because they haven't paid for it. There's no skin in the game. So I thought it was important to ensure that building this product, I'm attracting the right people and they are putting skin into the game, and they know if they are paying a fee for it, they will be encouraged to finish it and then go on to take more action in their journey. However, the good thing is that it will be fairly affordable. So we are pricing this module at just £60, and with the code 2024 you will have access to a 50% off discount up to the end of the year. So essentially for just £30 you'll be able to get started in your property journey in 2024. But just remember to take action now, because I'll be running this discount code for the next couple of weeks and it's back to £60 in the new year. Now, for those of you that want to ask me how do you get started in property, there is a new answer, which is Learn Property. So head over to the website and stay tuned for the more courses we have yet to drop. We are building out more concise, engaging content to be able to streamline your learning. And for those of you that enjoy the YouTube comment, just remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll keep on serving you guys with all the value, gems, tips and whatever you need. So just let me know in the comments.